Hi guys, so this is the part 2 of the first video I made about how you can make money from Amazon selling recipe journal. So if you have not watched the part 1 of the video, please go and watch the part 1 of the video because you're going to understand what I'm doing in part 2 if you have not watched the part 1. So let's head into the video straight away. Pick a line, then reduce the weight of the line from 5, I'll reduce it to 1. Yeah, I'll elongate it a little. I'll stop there. And the next thing I want to do is I want to write prep time. So I'll just write prep time there, pick this, duplicate it. Then I bring it here. All I need is also a line. Then I'll pick this line and duplicate it, reduce it. Then take it here. Then the next thing I want to write is I want to write sales. So I'll just write sales here. And pick this line and duplicate it. After that, here I want to write cook time down. I just duplicate that, bring it down. Then write cook time. Then pick this line and duplicate it. And just bring it down here. So as you can see, our book is getting into shape. The next thing here, I will want to write ingredients. So I'll come here, duplicate it, bring it down, and just write ingredient. So the next thing I want to do is just pick a line here, duplicate it and bring it down. After that, I'll elongate the line so that it comes to the end, close this way. Then the next thing is I want to duplicate the line down. Okay. Then I'll duplicate it again, duplicate, keep duplicating. Yeah. So the next thing I want to do is I want to write numbers down. So just duplicate this, bring it, and just write 1 here. Then I want to reduce the font size to 10 so that it can fit. So I want to duplicate that and bring it here and just change it. Okay. Then I duplicate again, duplicate. I'll keep duplicating. And the next thing for me to now do is I'll just change this to 2. Then I'll just do the same thing for everything here. Okay, as you can see, I've written down from 1 to 17. So it's enough for a lot of ingredients to write if the person wants to write. Then the next thing I would want to write here, so I want to write directions. So I'll just duplicate that, bring it, come here. Then I'll just write directions here. And the next thing I want to do is I want to just bring a line and place here, reduce it so that okay, then I'll duplicate the line. Then duplicate, duplicate. Elongate the line a little. Okay, then I want to duplicate this. And duplicate, duplicate, duplicate until we cover it up. Yeah. So the next thing I want to do here is I want to write from the kitchen off. So I'll just duplicate this, bring it down here a little. And then I want to italize this. I want to italize it. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, our interior is ready and it actually looks very beautiful. To me, it does. So there's other things you can do to customize your interior, make it beautiful, add some things. It's actually dependent on the research you have made, right? So just go back to our first page and customize the first page. So let's go back to the first page, which is this. I'll do the same thing here. I'll just duplicate it, reduce the transparency, then duplicate it. Okay. After I'm done with that, the next thing is just duplicate, duplicate. Okay. After that, I will just pick this particular circle, elongate it around, let it come to the middle here. Okay. Next thing I will do, I'll come back and so I'll just change the color to black. Then I want to make it longer. Yes. So after this, I'll just write this journal belongs to. Come here, use this particular font, delete this element, then write this journal belongs to. And reduce this a little, raise it up. Raise it up. Yeah. And then I want to get elements and just a line here. Change the color to black. So that this thing that I'm doing here is actually important for those that are buying the book as a gift, right? So they can just, it's an added advantage for you if you are doing it, but you can actually completely not do it in your own book and just let it be everything. So they will just write the name of the person here, the person that the journal belongs to. If the person bought it for himself, we'll just write his name there. Then, as you can see, our interior is ready. Then, if you look at it here, you can see the interior is here. This is the first page, and this is the second page. Now, second page is where the main work is. So I'll just duplicate this to 100 page. So I'll duplicate to 100 page. Okay, so we have gotten to 100 page. Yeah. So to me, it actually looks very, very fine. It's okay. So the next thing I want to do now is to now download it as a PDF file. So I'll come here, then I'll click the download, then change it from PNG to PDF print, then click download. So I'll just wait until it downloads. It doesn't take time to do that. So our design is ready. Now the next thing for us to now do is now design the cover. So for cover design, we just go back and click this plus sign here, customize, change it from pixels to inches. Then we come here. Then for our cover, since we used 8.5 times 11 in our interior, the cover would now be 17.463 times 11.25. If you don't understand how to get the cover dimension, you can just go to Amazon cover calculator and get the cover dimensions. Then we click create design here. So this is how our cover will look like. The next thing we want to do is that we want to go